Okay, Missy and I are going for a walk today. Come to you, little baby. That's good. Get up. Walk up. Whoops, ho. Steady. There we go. Walk up. Walk up. I mounted my camera on a post on the cart. Go on, baby. Go on. Walk up. Go on. That's my baby. Across the road here, this is going over to the east pasture. Go on, baby. Go on. Come on. Walk up. Go on. Walk up. Oh. Okay, now if you look over there is the that's the east pond. Ho, baby. Ho, ho, ho. And that woody line there in the middle, that's there's a big hole in the ground there called a hope. It's an old what's called a trench silo, and it's all grown up. Oh, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're just gonna sit there a minute. Down there, that's the that wood line at the bottom. That's where the creek is, and I don't know how to get this to loose. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna go walk the feed line. Walk up. Go on, baby. Walk up. Come on, walk up. look right there, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little bitty stick right there. That's a girl. And there's a bunch of these out here, and what those all are is those are all there's a big one. Those are all mulberry trees. They're volunteers. And we keep them because they grow food. That marks the end of a keyline swale, and we're going to go along it here. Walk up, baby. Come on. That's a girl. Okay, walk up. I'm going to come back up the other side of the swale here, and so you can better see what's growing. Each of these stalks has had something planted at it. Most of them are planting chestnuts, and a lot of them have chestnuts growing on it. And then these other clumpy looking places, like that clump of grass there, that's a hazelnut. You can see how this swale follows the ground here. This is the gully, we're crossing the gully here. Oh, baby, you don't do this all day. When they're in heat, they urinate a lot. Just little sprinkles, they're marking their spots. Come on, baby. Go on. Another mulberry there. Another volunteer. G-round. That's a go. Now easy step up. Good. Oh, right there. Oh. G around. Come G. There we go. Oh, right there. Ho. Missy, whoa. Come back. Missy, back. Come back. Missy, back. Come on, back. Good girl. Back. Come back. Back up. Missy, back. All right, we won't do that then. I want that steak though. Hang on a minute. Oh, all right, we'll just go on. Walk up. had a mulberry or a chestnut at it. You couldn't see it very well. It's November and the chestnuts are losing their leaves, and so you're not going to see them very well. There's no chestnuts there. I've replanted that with a plum. Whoa. That one's a mulberry. There's no chestnut at that stake. Walk up. There's another mulberry over there. Nothing on this stake. That's across the gully. No chestnut there. And if you watch along here, I don't know if you'll be able to see any of the hazelnuts or they've all lost their leaves. Oh, baby. Whoa. She doesn't do whoa yet, baby. Whoa, baby. Whoa. Whoa, Missy, whoa. There's a chestnut at that one back there. This clump here, this grass clump here has to be a hazelnut. Walk up, baby, walk up. Chestnut at that one. See the leaves. Now, as you see this bottom, I'm just going to go around. I haven't made any plans for it yet. I don't know how I'm going to. It's got good soil because all the soil up is washed off down there. So that bottom's good leaves down there. It doesn't need a whole lot to be tolerable. Walk up. Okay, we got another key line swell now. It's on our left, and I can't really get you a good view of it. Maybe we should go around it. Come to you, baby. That's my girl. Come, Gigi. Walk up. G. Okay, that's good. Oh. Had to climb right around there. Look at baby, walk up. Walk up. Missy, walk. That's you, girl. These stakes here, these good chestnuts. In between the chestnut stakes, there are hazelnuts, and I planted those from bare-rooted seedlings, so I didn't stake them because they were visible. I had to mow all this to make it so we could see it at all. The grass is a ferocious competitor. Here's another shot of this deep gully you see here. This is the kind of erosion you get on cattle ground. This hasn't been crop ground for a long time, but as the cattle graze, they wear away the soil. Go on, baby, walk up. You can do this. That's good. Now all these chestnuts that I'm showing you that you can't see, they're about ankle high. I planted 3 pounds of chestnuts last spring, so these are only, well, I planted them in April, and it's November, so May, June, July, August, September, October, November, they're 7 months old. Both these two swales we've just looked at, oh baby, ooh, ooh, ooh. Both these two swales we've just looked at in here, this is an old trench silo. You can't see the entrance to it here, but it's a dug trench with a big mound around it. People used to use that to store feed. Poor farmers did, and the hill farms were always poor farms. Poor farms. There's a persimmon down in there someplace. I can't quite see it. The third swale, which is still off to our right, is over there. Now that swale goes around below and it goes out of sight from here. We're going to go up to the end of it. Walk up, baby. Come, G. G. Come, G. All this slope side that we're looking at that these swales are on, this was almost no topsoil at all. What I turned over here was red clay and pea gravel. Go on, baby. If you've watched any of my videos and have seen anything about what I call the thorn forest, it's on the other side of that tree line there. We own a few acres that way, and it goes over there. Now we're going to come around here and go back up the other side of this long swale. Come around, G, G, G. That's my girl. I don't know if you can see in this good, but there's a row of stakes there. That's the soil. There aren't very many chestnuts out this end. The ground out here was pretty good, and the chestnuts did better where the ground was worse, because better ground supported better grass, which is a more ferocious competitor. The poorer ground without much grass allowed the chestnuts to sprout. How they'll do over time in that poor ground, I have no way of knowing. We're just hoping. One of the things we do for this ground is we mow and leave the mowings. Right there, we're just leaving her be. Oh, baby, you can go ahead and stop. Okay, go ahead, Wolf. Although these swales are small, they're one plow furrow from a 14-inch single bottom plow being pulled behind an old Ford tractor. I could have pulled it behind 2 donkeys, but I didn't have 2 trained donkeys, and I don't have a walk behind 14-inch plow, so that's what we did. But although it's a very small furrow, I turned the soil that came out of the furrow downslope, and then I came back and pushed it all along the furrow, so it acts kind of like a curve, and it makes the furrow deeper than it would otherwise be. And in rains, these fill up, and they stay full for 3 or 4 days after the rain. So although they're very small, they're not useless. Now we're going to go down here to the road and then come back up the creek, because we got a row of stakes along the creek. That creek that woods there by the creek. Previous owners just, you baby, everything's all right. Everything's fine. Previous owners couldn't mow all the way down to the creek, and so as everywhere on this property, what doesn't get mowed grows up in thorn trees and hard plants. And what we're doing is we're just trying to upgrade that creek to that little riparian woods to a better quality. Now we own on the other side of this creek too, but we're not going to go over there today. We got some work over there too. Haw, baby, haw, haw. Come on, that's my girl. That's my girl. Walk up. This creek, turkeys live in here and deer live in here. Foxes, of course, coons. And so we do everything we can just to maintain that for them. I'm sorry about this slant. I didn't put this thing up the very best way I could. This creek has been historically very seasonal, but there's a stake right there. Some places you can see it. That's a plant. There's a stake back in there. This creek's getting more year-round as we get more water to absorb into this slope, because then it works its way down in. There's the oaks, of course. Those are good. We like oaks. Most of these stakes along here are originally planted with chestnuts. I tried to plant a bunch of elderberries last year, but I didn't succeed with that. But I've got another 75 coming in April. So I'll be planting elderberries, and they'll be going. We're down here now. You can see the swales above us, below the swales, and what you saw from below before. Walk up, baby. Come on. Walk up. Okay, you do that. She's busy here. Now this stake here does have a chestnut at the base of it. It's pretty well withered in August or October, November, whatever month it is. There's another stake in there if you can see it. I'm going to have to rearrange this camera mount. Another one there. That one you can still see. Whoa, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Missy, whoa, 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 whoa. You can still see the chestnut on that one. Well, maybe. There's a big chestnut right there, too. The chestnuts that did take off down here did real well, because this is much better soil. You know, most of the topsoil from up there where we just were is down here. There's a chestnut by that stake. See, baby. Gigi. Chestnut there by that one. Chestnut there by that one. Chestnut there by that one. Nothing by that one. chestnut there by that one. See about it. See. She's squirting again. Okay, walk up. Walk up, baby. Come on, walk up. We're going down here into the creek bank. This is a little piece of low bottom that shows. I've tried over the years, easy girl. I've tried over the years to create a artificial beaver dam there, but this creek runs too powerful and it's blown out. You can see upstream, you can see, I don't know if you can see in this video or not, but there's still a little water running in it. It's been a long dry spell, so that up there, that's the property on the other side of the creek. The only way to get there from here is go across that bridge that we saw on the road and come back up the other side. I don't have any bridges across this creek on the property. Come home. Good girl. Gee. What I do down here is a combination. That right there, that shrubby looking thing right there, that's a cherry tree. We're going to be planting some pawpaws too. A friend is scared find some pawpaw seeds for me right now, and we're going to be planting those later on in the year. She's going to plant them in a pot and get me bare-rooted seedlings, or get me seedlings so I can plant it. Old building there, we haven't restored it, need to, but there's a lot of work down here. Well, people dumped a lot of trash down here. We've hauled a lot of steel scrap out of that bottom, taking it to the recyclers. This over here, if you go up there, you're looking at the back side of the west pond, or east pond. And this gate way right in front of us, that's what goes into the thorn forest. These gates grew up in multiflora roses, and I lost track of the fact that they even existed, and so I didn't mow or maintain back here for a few years. Other people used to hay this for my wife before I married her, and they quit mowing back here because basically all these trees that you see here, not quite all of them, but the vast majority of them are all honey locusts. Honey locusts are about a ferocious looking tree. We're going to go pretty close by one here. I'll try to get you a good shot of them. Road right there, that's the neighbor across the road. Go on, baby, we're okay. We're okay, honey, go on. I know, they're there. Go on. That's my girl. Over here, you know, I've shown you some videos where I'm trimming the low-hanging branches from the thorn forest so I can get under and mow and maintain. This time of year you can see the fence row, and then over there's the open side. Over here's the thorn side. As we work in here, we'll get this turned into a, look at them. Come G, baby. G. Come G around. G. That's my girl. That's my girl. Back in here. G up. That's my girl. All these little clumps over here. Yeah, let's get up here on this side of it. Walk up, baby. That's my girl. All these little clumps of grass here, these are all persimmon seedlings, volunteers. Gee. And I'm just mowing around them, and then some of those I'll transplant, some I'll keep here. This up here, this is a really, really poor stretch. When I started up here, it would hardly even grow grass. It was just mostly just dirt. And all I've done to maintain this so far, oh baby, whoa, 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 Missy, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's my girl, stand. All I've done so far to maintain this, whoa, is mow. You can mow, no. You can mow and leave the grass clippings, and it'll turn into soil, strangely enough. And whoa, baby, whoa, we're just sitting here, we're talking. Whoa, 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 whoa. And so that's brought back quite a bit of soil here just with mowing and leaving it. And I'm going to probably put 1 keyline swale across this. This is a slope face. I don't know how well you can tell it. Over there is the same clump on the other side. And this place has been separated with all these old fences from when it was other farms, separated farms and stuff. And some of these we can't remove, and they'll be good for wildlife anyway. But like right there in front of her, I'm going to take that piece out so we can go through there. It'll be more convenient. There's an oak tree at that stake. But these old fence rows, they provide wildlife habitat. I'll get this. I just mounted this camera mount on here, and having this slant doesn't work. It'll be a pretty rough video, but it's all I got for today, and I'll get you some better ones. I'll remount it to make it better. What we're doing here is we're going up that same slope that we started out on top of. Let's go out here and get a little bit. I don't want to go home, but let's go out here and there we go. I don't have any swales of any kind along here yet. That's that pond again. And I need to, I'm going to try to survey this winter and put a couple swales along this slope so that if we can catch this water, slow it down. I've worked on that pond dam, but it's still pretty washed out. That over there is that same old trench silo that I showed you earlier. There's another mulberry. But if we put a swale across here, then we can soak the ground in here. This is very poor soil up here, almost no topsoil left on it. So, as we put a swale along here, and then at the grass, you see a lot of these grass mowings here, and they provide additional. Part of that rots into the air, but a lot of it rots into the ground. So it's just all one big process. That's all, Missy.